Khushamadid, Sat Sri Akal, Madhya Vanakam. A very warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us for this special afternoon where we will be witnessing something truly ingenious, something very special, and actually witnessing a milestone in the journey of Power Gummies. But before we do that, Power Gummies is a brand about hair and nails, and you guys are all the connoisseurs of hair, nails, lifestyle. And it's important to get started with this press conference with some amount of interaction, with some amount of conversation with each one of you. Because I know for a fact we may be distanced physically, but we are all connected digitally today. So, guys, we are going to kickstart this press conference with actually checking your knowledge and getting a dipstick about your knowledge about hair care. You get yourself a Power Gummies hamper. So ensure that you have exercised your fingers well. Ensure that you're really mindful listening to us and also watching the cues and the clues that will get displayed on your screen. So everyone's set. There are only two terms of the game. One thing is that you have to give an appropriately correct answer. And the second thing is you have to answer fast because the winners will be decided on the basis how fast they are able to submit their answer. And bringing you all face to face with the brand ambassador for the Hair and Nails Power Gummies. And this is just the beginning. Because Power Gummies has really revolutionized the way nutrition is consumed, breaking the norms of a conventional tablet, which looks like a medicine, to creating these absolutely delicious, delectable gummies, which come with the goodness of biotin, folic acid, and 10 essential vitamins for radiating hair and nails. I don't know why I pointed at myself. But yeah, they help you to take care of yourself and act as a respite in these busy times. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite on a virtual stage the persons whose perseverance, whose persistence ensured that we all witness today the marvel and impact of Power Gummies. I'd like to invite Mr. Divij Bajaj, the founder and CEO of Power Gummies. He started Power Gummies in the late 2018 with a simple mantra, which is health powered by happiness and backed by science. Divij, welcome, and I'm very excited to listen to your cues and your perspectives. But how do you feel at this very moment, Divij?
Thank you so much for such a nice introduction, Pradima. It feels really nice for me having someone on board which believes the concept as much as I do. It's a different experience altogether. And I mean, what started with just my mom's story when she used to hate pills. I thought that why can't vitamins give you happiness along with health?
Shraddha is here and Divij is here, and we have like a lot of questions both about the brand and about this partnership. So I'm very excited about this. And audience, if you're also excited, show us some hi, hello excitement in the chat box so that we have this rub-off effect of all your energy. Creating Power Gummies must have been a lot of experiment and thought experimentation of its own. And now you have built a brand that where from your experiments of trying muffins and trying different formats into gummies. And then at what point did you think I need a brand ambassador? And how did you finalize that, okay, Shraddha is going to be my brand ambassador? What attributes of her personality made you feel that she's perfect for the brand?
So we really actually thought of then expanding brand audience. And to do that, we thought that, we need someone that can touch down the lives and somebody who everybody loves, somebody who has a great presence and can give us a great brand push in terms of awareness. And who other than Shraddha? I mean, everybody loves Shraddha. I'm a big fan of hers. And she really admires the idea of Power Gummies. That's where we thought that, if it has to be anybody, it has to be Shraddha.
Divij, I want to know from you, how did you come up with this concept of Power Gummies? Because it's like, it's like a Dexter laboratory kind of experiment. Like what thought crossed your mind and at what point you had this epiphany, oh, I have to make these gummies?
And that's when I realized that, with the concept of pills and anything that is coming in the format of pills, we confuse OTC items and we treat them as the medicine.
Yeah,
exactly. And that's where I thought that if there is a right alternative, a right approach there where we can, have them in a different way, in a different pattern, that way we won't be fearing these medicine. We won't be feeling bad about them. And the most important part, nobody will have to remind us, please have, please have, please have.
Yeah. How do you think this association with this brand is going to shape in the future? And how relevant, you being an actress, you're 24/7 busy, how relevant it is to the men and women of today who are, dealing in the virtual world, but somehow they are busy. How relevant it would be to them?
So I would say that my lifestyle is, of course, being in front of the camera and being having styling done to my hair all the time.
Yes.
Having things done to my nails all the time, and the makeup and the crazy working hours. So it gets very challenging, and I feel like, okay, this is me, but I also feel like there are a lot of people out there who lead very busy lives, very
Yes.
hectic lives, who are on the go all the time, constantly. They don't have that time to be able to, go to a salon maybe, or, give their hair and nails rest, or, or it does get hectic. I think a lot of people lead hectic lifestyles. So I think Power Gummies resonates and solves this problem.
Divij, I want to know from you, getting Shraddha on board is the first step of creating this brand association. What are your plans for Power Gummies as a whole? What are the future plans that behold? And how do you see this association with Shraddha shaping up, considering she has this massive fan following? Her connect with her audience is, supremely cool. How do you see this association shaping up and the future plans for Power Gummies?
I think when it comes to the association, we are really positive that it is going to get us a lot of brand awareness, and we'll be able to spread the message that we have, that, vitamins is just not something you got to be afraid of. It's something that gives you health along with happiness. This whole message will now float to pan India because Shraddha has a lot of followers.
There must be moments when you have to quickly fix your hair or go from one function to another and, change the hairstyle. Could you show us some hacks of fixing hair quickly, which you can fix on the go for different occasions?
My scalp tends to get greasy.
So,
and it tends to get greasy really quickly. So it also kind of acts as a serum.
Yeah.
Where the natural grease of the hair is something that just pushes the flyaways down, and then I'm just putting it in a pony.
Okay, 10, 9,
and then
8,
you just spread your hair at the back like
6,
that,
5,
and then you check the front.
4, 3. Shraddha, 7 seconds. Not bad.
Whoa!
Well done. Big round of applause to each one of you for making time and making your presence felt for this very important virtual conference. Your participation has taken the engagement to another level. And a big thank you to Divij and Shraddha for asking questions so candidly, for bearing with us, for really think through the different facets of the answer. So I think, Shraddha, today you'll need some more water and more gummies after answering so many questions. And
no, this was great fun. Thank you.
And Divij, we are looking forward to the kind of history you're going to be creating with this very ingenious brand. I saw some of your interviews, and I know for a fact you've been through your own journey with your team to create this magnificent product, which looks very simple, very delicious, but has a hustle story of its own. So thank you, and we look forward to the brand journey you're going to create. Shraddha, I think your simplicity, your authenticity is contagious. So thank you so much for being you and answering questions.
That's so nice of you. You have been amazing, Ridhima. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shraddha.
Thank you, Ridhima.
I like the tone. Thank you. Welcome, Divij.